Spray an exact amount of your cleaning solution to your microfiber cloth to make it damp. Using your damp microfiber cloth, wipe away the dust and dirt on your device's monitor. Using a brush, brush off the dust and dirt on your keyboard. Do not be aggressive and harsh in doing this to avoid damaging the keys. After brushing off the dust and dirt on your keyboard, grab your damp microfiber cloth. Make sure to use the other side so that it will be clean. Gently wipe the keyboard to remove the excess dust and dirt and the sticky feeling. Now, for our last peripheral device, we have my mouse. It is one of the most used peripheral devices. That's why you should make sure to give it a good wipe to remove the dust and dirt as well as the sticky feeling. Type settings on the search bar and click it. Next, search for virus and threat protection and click it. Select the quick scan button and wait until the scanning is done. As you can see, there are no new threats found in my laptop. Type settings on the search bar and click it. Next, select the apps option, then select the apps and features. There, you can see the list of apps installed in your device. If you want to uninstall an app, just click the app and select the uninstall button. Now, let's check if the app that I uninstalled is gone. From here, you can see that the Grammarly is already uninstalled. On the search bar, type check for updates and click it. Then select check for updates and patiently wait until it is done. If there are any available updates, just install them to keep your device up to date.